Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Woerner, concept designer with FSJ, and I'm super excited to be out here in Phoenix. I come from Portland, Oregon, and I'm back in the video studio, and I'm going to explain to you one of our brand new dies called the Card Carrier Die Set. And it looks like this. So you have your solid metal plate. This makes the basket, and it comes with a handle. So just a tip, this is a solid piece of metal die, and sometimes when you run these through the machine and you have it down like this, when it hits the rollers about halfway through, it can get a little bit harder to crank. So one tip is to set it at an angle, and for some reason this sort of redistributes the weight, and when you run it through your rollers, it goes through much easily. And by turning it to its side, you have room for the handle. So you're going to need to run through that twice. And I don't want to tell you how long it took me to realize that you needed it 2 times, because I sat there staring, trying to figure out how to fold this to make it into my carrier. Anyway, so as with all of our other dies, wherever you see a scored line is where you're going to want to make your fold. So we're going to go ahead and fold these up. Here, this is our side adhesive tab, and of course we love our score tool, or our crease tool, which gives us a nice, crisp, clean fold. Now this is going to make the side of the bag, sort of where it has its little gusset. So this part you're going to fold the other direction. I'm going to put this towards you. Here on these little diagonal ones, I pretty much just pinch and get it like that. So I don't have much time back here, so I'm just going to show you. Essentially, it's going to look like this. Okay, so let me show you one of the ways that I like to do just this first adhesion. I just lay it down flat and just take some of our double-sided white liner tape and just line this up. Make sure that bottom is even. Made that just a little bit crooked. There we go. All right. Definitely use your crease tool to get a nice, good adhesion with the paper fibers. So here's what your box is going to look like when you've done both sides. Super cute with these gusseted sides. So for the bottom, you're just going to fold the small tabs in first, and then basically you're just going to add some tape or some glue to the bottom. And now let's move on to our handles. So this is the handle that comes with the die, and you can adhere the handle on the outside or the inside. And let me show you a couple of possibilities that I've worked up for you. So here's an example showing using brads. This is with the handle on the outside and on the inside. Here we have it using our staple, outside and inside. Now I've switched gears and used our slit punch and tied off the ribbon ends and just made the handle with ribbon. And the same concept, I just did the slit punch, ran the ribbon through, and just tied it in a bow on the outside. So let me show you a couple of projects. So this is a cute little Valentine's box, and before she adhered it, we went ahead and just, die cut it out and then backed it with our clear view sheets. And here's a fun one that we actually created the handles. This is not the handle that came with the die, but these are just strips that are cut at a 1/2 inch wide, and basically they're just folded. And this sort of mimics what a shopping bag would look like that. So lots of super cute possibilities with this card carrier die set. I know you're going to love it. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to bring paper to life.